every morning. Millions of us wake up and put on the mask. Not the one we wear to protect others, but the one we wear to survive. We iron it, rehearse it, perform it. And we call it professionalism. In the corporate world, we're told to show up as our best selves. But what they really mean is the most acceptable version of ourselves. Somewhere along the way, being busy became the same thing as being valuable. We celebrate exhaustion like it's a badge of honor. Look how hard I'm working, we say, even when we have nothing to show for it.
Together, we can shape
The truth?
defined by innovation.
Most of what happens in corporate life is theater. Meetings about meetings. Presentations designed to look impressive, not be useful. And behind it all, people trying to sound certain, even when they're completely lost. Everyone's performing confidence, hoping no one sees through the act. It's not performance review season. It's performance art. And the higher you climb, the better you have to act. But pretending has a cost. You can't fake meaning forever. Eventually, the applause fades, and all that's left is the silence of your own burnout. You start asking questions you were trained to avoid. Is this it? Is this what success feels like? You check your reflection in the dark window of your office and realize you've become a stranger in your own story. We traded authenticity for approval, and we call it a career. Then the world changed. The office disappeared. The commute vanished. And we thought, maybe now we're free. But freedom turned into another illusion. We didn't escape the system. We brought it home with us. The emails, the deadlines, the pressure. It followed us into our kitchens, our bedrooms, our thoughts. The line between work and life didn't blur. It broke. And in that silence, we started hearing the truth. The system isn't broken. It was built this way, to keep you chasing titles instead of purpose, to keep you performing instead of producing. But something new is emerging. A force that doesn't care about perception, politics, or pay grades. It doesn't flatter. It doesn't pretend. It just creates. Maybe AI won't replace us. Maybe it'll just reveal who we were never meant to be.